London.
Hello. Mortal Engines is set in our future in the traction era, when the great cities of the world have mobilized. These enormous cities have been rebuilt onto wheels and hunt each other in a relentless pursuit for resources and fuel.
What is that? London.
Villages are eaten by towns, and the towns are consumed by cities.
This is the future.
Welcome to the world of Mortal Engines.
After the war, cities were rebuilt in the skies, on the seas, but the deadliest ones on wheels.
That is London.
We have to stop London before it destroys us.
They're playing with fire.